Welcome back, students. This is module 1, lesson 1, part 2. As I told you that this lesson I divided into 3 parts for the convenience. Now this is the second part, and in this part we are going to discuss fiscal operational areas. Fiscal operational areas. The question can be asked that explain the fiscal operation of modern government. So you have to give the answer the way I am telling you now. Basically there are 4 points that you have to remember. Number 1, public revenue. Number 2, public expenditure. Number 3, public debt. And number 4, financial administration. These 4 points are coming under fiscal operational areas. So let us start with the point 1, fiscal revenue. The public revenue deals with the methods of raising income from the tax and non-tax sources. In this connection, we study the principles of taxation and effects of taxation. Since tax revenue can be raised from both direct and indirect taxes, we also study the relative merits and demerits of direct and indirect taxes. Since non-tax revenue consists of surpluses of public enterprises, public borrowings and deficit financing, we also study about the methods of raising revenue through these sources. The revenue can be raised from both the things, direct and indirect taxes. Okay, so this is what you have to write in the first point, public revenue. Second point, public expenditure. It refers to the expenses of public authorities, central government, state government and local governments. Public expenditure is a major tool for implementing various policies of the government with respect to welfare growth and stabilization and many more. The public expenditure occupies a very important place in public finance. In this connection, we have to study the principles of public expenditure, justification for various kinds of public expenditure and effects of public expenditure. So whatever the government is spending, that we have to study in a proper way. The public expenditure where we are including central government, state government and local governments. The third point is public debt. With an increase in the activity of the state, the shortfalls in income of the state is frequently made up through public loans. When there is a shortfall, government take debt, that is called as public debt. In modern times, borrowing by the government has become a normal method of government finance along with other sources of public finance. In many countries of the world, public debt shown the tendency to increase. The problems relating to the raising and repayment of public loans are studied under the public finance. So in this connection, we study about the sources of public loans, methods of raising public loans, methods of repayment of principal amount of loans and interest, and the burden of public debt. Any debt is a burden, so everything we have to study under this. And the fourth point is financial administration. The scope and the subject matter of public finance is not confined only to the study of public expenditure, public revenue and public debt, but we have to examine the mechanism by which these processes are carried out. So we have to examine the organization and the functioning of the government machinery which is responsible for carrying out various functions. Generally, we are aware that the government public finance involves the study of budget, which is the financial plan of the government. The budget gives us the complete picture of the estimated receipts and expenditure of the government during a year. So we are concerned with the organization and functioning of the government machinery, which is carrying this entire functions, and this is done by government through the budget. In developing countries, the role of public finance and the budget is somewhat different. In such countries, public expenditure is used as a means to achieve economic development and growth, while taxation is used as a source of financing developmental activities and bring economic justice. So, the work relating to preparation of the budget, presentation of the budget, passing of the budget, execution of the budget, and the evaluation of the budget is the subject matter of public finance. Students, in this question, you have to give the explanation the way I am telling you. These are the 4 points that you have to write, and you have to give the explanation also. The question can be, explain the fiscal operational areas. These are the 4 areas: public revenue, public expenditure, public debt, and financial administration. Your answer should cover all these things. Thank you very much.